I'm Bronwyn and welcome to my website. I have learned through my own experiences that the two main things that people want in life are happiness and fulfillment. How do we achieve this? Through balance. It is becoming increasingly challenging to achieve balance in our modern society due to the world getting faster and evolving at such a rapid pace. As we attempt to push ourselves harder and keep up with our busy lifestyles, our bodies are placed under immense stress. We find ourselves doing instead of being. The stresses can be chemical, mechanical, mental, or emotional in nature. Stress can manifest as pain, disease, illness, fatigue, burnout, weight gain, even financial, career, relationship, and personal issues. We are so busy and distracted with everyday life that we don't know which way to turn in order to find a solution. We live in a time of instant gratification. We are so used to treating the symptoms instead of getting to the root cause of our health issues. In addition to our own limiting beliefs programmed from childhood, society at large is sabotaging our growth and development and can hold us back from living the life we were born to live. Naturally Bronwyn is an organization that offers one-on-one consultations as well as workshops in order to assist people in restoring balance into their lives. We use natural products and practices as well as holistic techniques to help people release and let go of fears, emotions, core issues, and subconscious limiting beliefs to bring about positive change in any area of life. Our aim and purpose is to assist individuals to live a happy, healthy life in order to awaken their full potential, achieve their goals, as well as unlock happiness, love, and fulfillment within. I invite you to read all about what I offer on this website. My blog tells my whole story of how I got to this point and why I'm so passionate about what I do. You will also find interesting articles that may be of practical use to you. I look forward to being part of your journey to assist you in living the life you deserve to live. And remember, your body speaks your mind.